Go.
Right guys, we're back with another Tuff Streeters giveaway.
Whoa. You guys have had your shot for long enough now. It's time for me to take over.
Mate, good luck with it.
Hey guys, we have our latest giveaway, which is an XY GT. It has 650 horsepower, 408 stroker, is valued at $135,000, and it can be yours today for just $19.95. This 408 stroker is backed by a 3-speed C10 transmission, 5200 RPM TCU converter, a 9-inch diff, while the Lumistars right round 17-inch fronts with single beadlock 15-inch rears. We've kept this car as classic as possible. It has the genuine black interior on the stitching, and it's got a TCR shifter and a couple of gauges for engine management. There you have it, the XY GT, which is going to be capped at 3,000 people and only running for 1 week. So it is your chance to jump in the draw for as little as $19.95. Click the link below, jump on our website to sign up for a membership, and hopefully I'll be calling you.